Hey folks, thanks for stopping back by the channel. Today I want to discuss how to maintain your LCD and your push button controls for your car. I want to just go over some basic maintenance tips, things that I do and things I don't do, just briefly, just give you some ideas. And first off, I don't ever work, or try not to work on my dash or my controls here when the dash is hot. I try to let it cool off. I'll start the car and let it run, and I don't spray my solution directly on the panel. I'll spray it on a pad, and and of course, you know what this is. This is a sponge that you use to apply wax and stuff to your cars. I keep me a stack of these, and I use them for different things. But this is a great way to use this. Is you spray some solution on your sponge. You massage it in, or I massage it into the sponge. It doesn't take a lot, and I use a mild solution, a solution that I've been using for about a year. I come up with here. And I'll massage it in, massage it on the screen, and massage it on the panels. I do this on the dash, I'll do it on my instrument cluster, and I'll do it on my steering wheel and my center console. And what'll happen is once you get a little bit of solution built up, you'll have to go in here and wipe it back off, come back behind it with a microfiber towel, and just wipe it off. Now the solution I use is is a non-alcohol based solution, and the reason I like using that is over time the alcohol based solution will start wearing your screen down, start making it fade, turning kind of grayish. And I don't like using APCs, and not unless you water them down a lot. On this area here. Again, you don't ever spray it directly on the panel with the buttons, because it'll get back behind here and it'll cause it to short out. It can cause it to stick and everything else too, and just cause you a lot of problems when all you have to do is just spray it on an applicator pad or on a microfiber or a small brush, and just work it in. Also, if you get a lot of buildup in these cracks and crevices here, you get your toothpick and go through the cracks here real lightly with a toothpick. You can also get you a crevice tool and just work it in the crevices real light. The main thing is you got to work it real light. And again, I'll reiterate, using a light chemical, something that's very gentle. And even if you have to work the area 2 or 3 times, work and repeat. Always, it's better to be less aggressive in this area here than it is to be overly aggressive and cause damage. So work the area, take your time, and just maintain it. If you maintain something about this area here in your vehicle, if you maintain it, you keep it up once a week or whatever, then you won't have any major issues over time. Another thing I like about the solution that I use is it leaves a factory look to the car or to your vehicle. It doesn't cause it to shine. It doesn't cause it to look wet. It just gives that factory look, and it's non-staining also. That's important. So again, don't spray anything on the panel. Use your nice light pad or nice light applicator to work the material or work the solution in, and don't oversaturate this. You shouldn't be to the point where it drips when you squeeze it. It should be very, very light, and be prepared to go over this area 2 or 3 times to get it good and clean. So thanks for stopping by. I hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe.